weeks today. Look how huge they are. I was saying it's crazy. They look like overnight they just suddenly got gigantic. It's bizarre. They just grow like weeds overnight and grow pots or something because they're just so much bigger than they were 2 days ago. Aren't you? You're getting so big. I just had their walk and now they're all snuggling in the warm, aren't you? Yes, getting all nice and cozy again. Temperature's really dropped. Jace is just right here. And they're all having a little rest, a little snooze. Quinn has just gone to the shop. She likes to go in the car. So she's gone to the shop. And everyone else is just chilling out. Outside today. Is it nice and sunny? Yeah, it's nice and sunny, isn't it? Better than the rain. Hey, JC. Hey, Miss Quinn. Hello, Mr. Luca. Such a good boy. Getting so big. It's just crazy. They're huge now. No, I was just exploring. What are we doing? This is Ariel. Good afternoon. No. Hello, Mr. Noah. We're listening to that dog over there barking. It's none of us. Oh, there we go. What's this? What's this, Lexi? You ready? Go get it. She says, that dog is distracting me. Good job. Good job. Well done, Lexi. You ready? You ready? Go get it. Good job. Good job. Lexi? 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 Where are you? There you are. Ready? Go get it. Luca's gone. He says, I can do it too. I know how to fetch. Good boy, Luca. Good boy. Good boy. Luca? Ready? Go get it. He's gone. Oh, Luca's having a wee. All these people doing lots of work in their garden, aren't they? I'm so happy it's actually sunny for a change. It's been rainy constantly. It's nice to have some sun out. Quinn? Good girl. JC? Good boy.